guys, welcome back to my channel. Or welcome myself back because I've been gone for 3 months. Doesn't matter. Let's get on with the video. Okay, I've got a bunch of straws that I'm going to try to put in my head. Ooh, I don't know. We'll see. Straws. Okay. I've got about 1, 2, 3, 4 packages of unopened straws and 2 bags full of random loose straws that have already been opened. Don't ask me why. Oh, okay. I've got a straw stuck in my nose. Beautiful. Vogue. And here's a segment of me just playing with random straws. In case anybody wanted to see that. I don't know. Just watch. Okay, so back to the video. Here I am. Oh, or never mind. Just enjoyed this beautiful cow because I walked away again. Don't know what I did that for. And I'm back. Welcome back. I went to get a brush apparently. Brushing my hair very roughly, like I'm trying to rip it out of my skull. Don't do that. Oh, and then I realized, hey, I need to part my hair. And I can't do that right here. So I run off again. And now you have to wait until I come back. Because I'm so great at YouTubing. Oh, welcome back! Okay, so I got the part in my head and I'm roughly brushing my scalp again. And I'm trying to brush it all out so I have no knobs. Oh, and there goes one. So we're just brushing and brushing. Okay, so now for the oil. We're going to add coconut oil to our hands and then add it onto our hair to make it nice and soft. Oh, what a disgusting looking face. Don't know what I did that for. I've got some straws and some bobby pins. And I've got a lot of gel. I'm going to use that to stick the straws to my head. Okay, I've got some scissors. And let's get started. Or not, what am I? Okay. Add the gel to your hair. Literally anytime now. Add the gel to your hair. Add the gel. Okay, add the gel to your hair. Grab a straw and wrap your hair around the straw. Okay, now we are going to pin it at the very top. Pin it at the very top. Should not be this hard. Really should not. Oh, look at it. She did it. Finally. Okay. And you take the end of the straw that we don't need. We take the rest of it and we just snip it off with the scissors. Okay, at the very moment I thought I cut my hair, but I didn't. So towards when you finish cutting the straw, pin the end of it, and that's it. I have instant regret because I realized how long it took me to do one freaking straw, and now I want to do my whole head. But then I felt okay because I saw a cat outside, and it was black and white like a little cow kitten. at this beautiful cow kitty just wandering the streets in all of its cow kittiness. Hi, cow kitty. Oh, yeah, cow kitty. Hi, cow kitty. Okay. Oh, alright, I'm done. Okay, so skipping to when I didn't waste an hour of my time trying to get all this done. I am almost finished with my head, so I'm just going to show you the ends of it so I don't bore you to death. So, and finally, when you're done putting all those dumb straws in your head, you can spray your head with conditioner and water in a spray bottle to keep it moist. Okay, so this is me the next morning. I slept in these stupid straws and I did not get a good sleep, by the way. And now I'm finally taking them out of my head. Enjoy! Okay, so this is me taking out the last few straws in my head so I can finally put my scalp. If you've watched this far, I'll send help. I don't know why you would watch. Do you need help? Why would you watch this? Are you okay? Anyway, if you've watched this far, leave a comment down below telling me if this was worth it and if you would try it yourself. Thanks so much for watching.